No shared walls, no compromises, just a freedom of true villa living at Riviera Uno. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal and today we'll be doing the project unboxing of Riviera Uno by Goel & Co, which is located on Southia Road in Whitefield, East Bangalore. So we are here on the actual site of the project and let me show you the surrounding of our project. I'm standing exactly in front of the marketing office. We have the marketing office ready over here. And the land parcel is just behind of the marketing office and the main entrance which is just behind to me over this side. Now, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now in this video, we'll be exploring about project overview, location, about amenities that includes internal and external both, with the parking provision, master plan, floor plan, about the unit plan, current construction status of the project and even about the position. So stay tuned until the end. So starting with the project overview, where Riviera Uno is spread across 12.7 acre of land parcel consisting of 137 villas in all, with no common walls that maintains your privacy. And here we have all the 4 BHK villas, where east facing villa is known as Sol and north facing villa called as Luna. And just behind me we have the sample and actual villa ready for your walkthrough. Let's discuss about the location part, and our project is located bang on Southia Road in Whitefield, East Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project, where I'm standing exactly in front of the main entrance which will be coming up on the back end side over here, and this is the Southia Road. So this road over this side will take you towards Kanikal Cross and the opposite side road will connect you towards Chanasandra main road. Now let's discuss about the further part, that you can connect to MVJ College of Engineering in 3.5 kilometers, Whitefield main road that is 4.5 kilometers away, and Hope Farm metro station that is 5 kilometers away from our project. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, where first one is internal amenities. So all the villas will be unfurnished with branded fittings and fixtures. So you'll be getting toughened glass railing over here like this, with proper marble flooring, with digital door lock, anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings inside the washroom, and way more amenities. Now about the external amenities, and our project offers you 50 plus ultra luxurious amenities like of clubhouse, futsal court, you get amphitheater, mini golf course, box cricket and many more luxurious amenities. Are you the one who is looking to buy a home in Bangalore? Then here's a strong recommendation from our end. Housey is here with its new series called Rights of Home Buyers. Many home buyers don't exactly know what their true rights are. For example, if you book a home by paying a token amount and later on cancel your booking, how much amount a builder can legally deduct? Or else even after possession, there is any construction related issue happening in your project. Is builder liable for the same or not? All this is explained in a very simple and easy manner in our series. So before you buy a home, you must watch this series once. The link of our series is mentioned in the description link below and even in the I button. So go and watch it out. Coming to the parking provision, and we have 2 private car parking facilities coming up with each and every villas.
Now let's discuss about the master plan. So this is the master plan of Riviera Uno. As you can see in the image, our project consists of total 137 villas with lifestyle amenities. Now about some of the unit plan. This is the unit plan of 4 BHK, 3450 square feet super built up area. And this is the unit plan of 4 BHK, 3490 square feet super built up area.
Coming to the most interesting part, and that is the current construction status of the project, where we are here on the actual site of the project where the construction work is in full swing. So you can have a look that the structure of the villa is almost ready, so I can call it that 60% work is completed. Eventually we have the sample and even the actual villa ready for your walkthrough. Now about the possession part, so the RERA possession is scheduled for December 2029, but they are targeting early delivery by March 2028. So everyone, this was the project done unboxing of Riviera Uno by Goel & Co. located on Saukya Road, Whitefield East, Bangalore. If you're looking for more details of the project, click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.